In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link HubSpot with ManyChat. This integration can be incredibly useful if you're looking to streamline your customer relationship management and marketing automation across these platforms. So let's dive in and get started. First, open up your favorite web browser and search for HubSpot CRM. This will lead you to the HubSpot website where you can access their CRM tools. Once you're on the HubSpot page, click on the CRM software tab to get a better understanding of the services available. HubSpot CRM is a powerful tool that helps organize and track your business relationships and interactions with potential and existing customers. After you've checked out the features, look for the Get Started free option. This is great if you're just starting with HubSpot and want to try it out without any immediate financial commitment. Signing up is straightforward. You'll either create a new HubSpot account or, if you already have one, simply log in. Once logged in, you should click on Continue with this user. From here, you might be given options for different HubSpot accounts if you manage more than one. Select the relevant account and then click Continue with this account. This ensures that you're working within the right context of your business needs. Now let's move to linking ManyChat. Go to the marketplace within your HubSpot dashboard. The marketplace houses various apps and integrations you can add to your HubSpot account to enhance its functionality. In the marketplace, search for ManyChat. When you find it, click on it to open the details page. The ManyChat integration is what will allow HubSpot to interact closely with ManyChat, enabling seamless automation of your customer interactions. Click on Install and follow the on-screen prompts to initiate the installation process. You'll then be asked to log into ManyChat. Click on Sign In and choose your preferred sign-in option. If you have a Google account, for instance, you can click Sign In with Google for easy access. Choose or enter your Google account and click Continue to progress further with the integration. The final step involves granting necessary permissions. You'll need to allow access for HubSpot to connect with your ManyChat account. This is crucial for enabling the integration, allowing data to flow between the two platforms as needed. And there you have it. You've successfully linked HubSpot with ManyChat. This connection can significantly boost your efficiency in managing customer relationships and automating various marketing tasks. Explore its features to tailor the integration to your business needs and enjoy the newfound synergy between your CRM and chatbot marketing systems. Happy automating!